Today, along with doing numbers that come before, after, and in between, we're going to compare numbers. We've already done this with 2-digit numbers. Now we're going to do it with 3-digit numbers. So you need to know the words greater than, less than, or equal to. The signs for those are greater than, less than, or equal to. So you're going to write the words and then use the symbols to compare the numbers. So 364 is blank than 178. Remember, I always start in the hundreds. So I'm going to start in the hundreds. Well, that's pretty easy because there's a 3 in this hundreds and a 1 in this. 3 is greater than 1. 3 is bigger than 1. I'm going to write greater than. And the symbol for that, the alligator wants the bigger number, so he's going to have his mouth open to the bigger number, which is 364. Number 2, 540 and 560. Oh, yikes, I'm looking in the hundreds, and there is a 5 in both of them. So now I'm going to go to the tens. Whew. Thank goodness there is not the same number. There's a 4 and a 6. Which one is bigger? The 6. So I know that 540 is less than 160. Less than. And go ahead and make the alligator eat the bigger number. So it's going to look like that. Let's go to number 3. 846 is blank than 819. Uh-oh, looking again. The hundreds are the same, 8 and 8. So now I need to go to the tens. 4 and 1. Oh, I know that 4 is greater than 1. So 846 is greater than or bigger than 819. Go ahead and write greater than on the line. And alligator's going to eat the bigger number, so it's going to look like this. Number 4. Ooh, I'm going to move my paper a little bit. I can't see the whole thing. 604 and 586. Oh, thank goodness I only have to look at the first digit. And the first number is 6 and 5. 6 is bigger, so 604 is greater than 596. Okay, and so my alligator's going to eat the bigger number, which is the one that starts with 6, 604. Number 5, 572, 577. Oh, goodness. Let's look at this. 5s are the same in the hundreds place. 7s are the same in the tens, so now I have to look at the, that's right, 1s. 2 and 7. Well, I know that 7 is greater, so I know the number that's 572 is going to be less than 577. And so my alligator again is going to eat the bigger number. Number 6, 256 and 243. Again, looking in the hundreds, they both have a 2. Both have a 2. So now I'm going to go to the tens. 5 and 4. Thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is bigger. So 256 is greater than 243. And my alligator is going to eat the bigger one, 256. Number 7, 343 and 343. Okay. Same in the hundreds, 3 and 3. Same in the tens, 4 and 4. Looky there. Same in the ones, 3 and 3. So when they're the same, that is the same as saying they are equal to each other. And to write that symbol, it's 2 lines over the top of each other. Okay, number 8. Oh, just looking in the hundreds, there's a 2 and a 3. 2 is less than 3, so 237 is less than 327. And my alligator is going to eat the... Oh, I did that wrong. Sorry, I made a mistake. 237 is, less than. I was right. I got confused because I saw 2 and 3. So my number my symbol is going to eat the bigger number. Do you understand? How would you compare 326 and 89? Go to the next slide. Okay, second graders, you're doing the same thing. You're comparing right greater than, less than, or equal to, then right greater than, less than, or equal to the symbols. So write the words on the line, symbols in the circle. That's for numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Number sense. Write a number that makes each comparison true. So number 7 says blank is less than 412. So what number would be less than 412? And number 18 says 293 is greater than blank. What number would be less than 293? Go to the back. You have done such a great job of comparing and comparing numbers, that guess what? If you are listening to this, you do not have to do 19, 20, or 21. You can cross them off.